Hey guys, good morning. This is Curtis with LatheInserts.com, and I've got a couple of 45-degree cutters here that we're going to review today. I've got a traditional cutter over here on the left that we sell on the website. Pretty much standard geometry that you've seen for quite some time. And then we have a new cutter here with some pretty innovative technology here that we're going to review. So let's get started. Alright, so here's a traditional 45-degree cutter that you might see manufactured from a variety of manufacturers. This is what's known as a high shear, high positive rate cutter. This is one of the popular face mills that we sell on our website, and one of the advantages is that it's very free cutting, uses less horsepower, and one of the things I like is that you can get a variety of different application specific inserts to fit the cutter. This is a PVD coated insert here that works really good on steels and stainless, and then you can see in this other pocket I've mounted a polished and ground insert for aluminum that does a fantastic job really getting that material off and leaving a nice finish. So it's a nice cutter, it works really well. We sell a ton of them and they're cheap and they're good. Okay, here's the tool I really wanted to show you. This is a new innovative design that we've run across that we've been testing pretty extensively and had a lot of good luck with. They've taken the insert and thickened it considerably and molded the back side of the insert the same as the front side. So you've got 8 cutting edges. When you're finished with the 4 on the front, you just take the screw out, flip the insert, and you've got 4 more edges to use. This cutter takes advantage of a concept called double negative geometry, which means that this being neutral, the insert sits in the pocket with a little bit of axial rake and a little bit of negative radial rake this way. So there's a couple of benefits to that. One being if you're machining thin parts, this cutter will not try to pull the part up off the subplate or the table, and also it directs a lot of the forces up into the spindle of the tool and stabilizes it for really heavy cuts. It also kicks the insert out away from the cutter this way instead of forward like this cutter would do, and so you stand less of a chance of recutting the chip if you're down in a pocket or you've got trouble with chip evacuation, getting the chips out of the cavity. So I don't know if you can see it, but down in there's 4 coolant ports in the bore, so it's a through coolant tool. And right here, I hope you can see this little hole right here where the coolant jets out and sprays down the length of the cutting edge all the way to the wiper flap. So it's a pretty neat tool. The inserts are a new grade. This is called a medium temperature CVD coating, and it's got an extreme amount of wear resistance and heat resistance. We've run this in steels at 1100 surface feet. We've run it in stainless at 250 to 350. It'll run cast iron. We've even run it in aluminum, and I've been really surprised at how well it did. So it's a very versatile tool. If you're looking for a face mill for a job shop, this one would be hard to beat. It's just really nice. The body of the cutter's got a hard chrome PVD finish for abrasion and corrosion resistance, so it's built to last. You can see how much material here supports the insert, so, and you can see how thick the insert is, so I think you'll be real happy with this tool. So let's talk a little bit about price. It's a little more expensive than your traditional 45-degree cutter. I think these are in the $150 range, for like a 2.5 inch. The 2-inch cutter, the new design is $225, the 2.5 inch is $235, and the 3-inch is $249. So you can see it's a pretty good value. The inserts are about $9.50 a piece, which comes out to, I don't know, what, $1.10 per cutting edge for a premium tool. So that's really hard to beat. But check it out. It's on the website at www.lateinserts.com, and I appreciate your time for the review today. Have a good evening.